You have been just invited to Mnemonica as a guest to watch or download important content. After login, the first thing you see is your personal dashboard, which shows at a glance what's happening through notifications from projects you are involved in. The blue dot marks new things you haven't seen yet. There are 3 types of notifications: the plus, the balloon, and the orange bullhorn. Notifications with the plus icon will take you to a new resource, a new project, a new screening room where you can watch and discuss media with other guests in privacy, or a new box with some materials for you to download. In this example, we are taken into a screening room. The media pool shows all the room's content by default. The clip count is here at the bottom. You can just click play and watch it all on the player page. But you can also make a playlist on the fly by filtering content. To do so, you can use days and/or bins here on the right, combining them as you want. And you can also use some text or the filter panel to select content attributes. Your playlist is all here in the player page. You can watch everything in sequence or browse freely through the clips. On the right, you will see all comments and replies left on that clip. To leave a comment, use this box at the bottom. You may also mark parts of the frame by using the graphic tools. To learn more about comments, you can watch this very short tutorial. The balloon icon notifications bring you to the comments in the player, straight from your dashboard. Eventually, the orange bullhorn icon notifications warn you that a box you received is about to expire or that a room is about to close, like here. You'd better hurry up. If you use boxes and want to know how to receive or send them, please watch the related quick tutorials. Remember that wherever you are, you can find the complete list of your notifications by clicking the bell icon in the top menu. You can change your notifications preferences in the relevant page of your account menu. Choose what kind of notifications to receive and on which channel to best fit your own usage habits. You may also mute all notifications from a given room and even from a project altogether by clicking on the bell icon. Don't forget to download the mobile app for an even more enjoyable Mnemonica experience. Watch this video brief to learn how to use it.